we are going to discover birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Sharon.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see you. Well, I am a birder. I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Well, I've traveled from, let's see, Scotland to Zealand, all the way to Antarctica, just to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now, Sharon here, he is very passionate,
Yes!
but a little bit crazy.
Hey, no!
Just kidding. Okay, so Sharon,
Yeah.
how many birds have you seen?
Okay. Last year I've seen about 1,000 birds.
Okay.
This year I want to break the record and see and discover about 3,000 birds or even more, right? Yeah, thank you.
Hashtag show off.
Hey, give me a break.
Okay, so everyone, let's begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Let's go.
Wait, okay.
Now we will drive to the port, then take a boat ride on the Tango River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar, or spot a red howler. Look around. Wow. You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Chuncho Macaw Leyland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to live on clay. Now this clay lake is the largest of its kind in the world. Oh, look at that!
Whoa! And this is Adric and Ferrari. They are the scarlet macaws. Adric and Ferrari are eating clay off those walls. Now these macaws have the strongest beak and it allows them to also eat unripe fruits. But sometimes the toxins in these fruits are not healthy for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxins. Amazing, right?
Yep, no upset tummies. But looks like Adric and Ferrari are still enjoying their salty feast.
Yeah, and then tell you what,
Yeah?
I want to see more birds up close.
Okay.
So let's not stop moving and head off to Southeast Asia. Let's go.
Okay.
Asia. Okay, so wait here.
Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. So Sharia, is that enough birds for you?
It is never enough for me, Lynn. You know me, I love birds.
See, this is what I mean. Nothing is enough for him. Okay, so speaking of seeing more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park, and here they come. Hi. So with me here, this is Higgins, and he is a green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the parrot family, and Higgins here is about 10 years old.
And with me, this is Katie, and she is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Sulfur-crested cockatoo got the name because of the yellow coloration on the crest right on top of their head.
Now, parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parrots.
Yes.
So they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nest.
Oh, speaking of a nest, look what ingredients I brought for their nesting materials, okay? They will use things like twigs, sticks, branches, dried leaves, and even tree bark sometimes. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. These birds are gonna put sticks into the nest hollow here. Ready? Let's watch this.
Now, if you are wondering what's happening inside, everyone, let's watch this. Look at that chickens right there. And it's Casey this time. Yep, Casey's right there. Look at that. Second class. Look at that. So cute. And there you go. Can we give Casey and Miggy a big hand as well as their wonderful trainers?
Oh wow, look at the mess I made on stage. Ayya. Okay, let's start here. Why do you sound like a chicken?
That is not me, okay? Not me.
Wait a second, a chicken in the park? I'm a little bit confused. Oh, that's the rooster.
No, Cheryl. There's your rooster.
Hey, no.
Yes? What?
These are Amazon parrots.
Okay. Quincy, can you show Cheryl how you do the rooster? You want to welcome all our guests first. Okay, he actually said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, since he wants to welcome everyone, let's do the welcome first. Okay, one more time you welcome our guests. Let's now. One more time. There you go, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, Quincy, you ready to try the rooster? How do you do the rooster?
Okay. I should have that. Yeah.
Okay, now everyone, by the way, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry, okay? So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time, he's going to do the very fierce cat. There you go, that was a very fierce cat, right? Okay, one more sound. Quincy, how about the telephone? That was a very old school telephone right there by Quincy. Good job.
Well, you see, parrots copy the sounds and the calls made by their family members out there in the wild. By listening Quincy copying our sound, okay, he's just doing what other parrots do in the wild, right?
Yep, so in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai style.
Yeah, you can say that again. Okay, let's see what our buddy here can do. Hello there. Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Oh, nice hello to all of you. Very good. Okay, tell everybody here, what's your name?
Amigo.
Huh? What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. Okay, check this out. It's a very polite bird, okay? Ready? Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? Okay, were you quiet? Get him to get ready again, huh? Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? Oh, he's asking how are you? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, Amigo loves to sing, and one of his favorite songs happens to be a birthday song. By any chance, anybody here celebrating your birthday today? Whoa, so many! 1, 2, wow, that's good. 3! Okay, let's see any more. Okay, for the 3 of you, and those of you celebrating your birthday today, if I missed anyone, I'm sorry. Now this song is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Amazing, right?
Yeah, but hold on, everyone. Now, Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get is a bird like Big John. Very loud, right? to think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, thank you very much, Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being caught and sold in the pet trade. Amazonian parrots can live up to 50 years. It is a lifetime commitment. If you think they will make great pets, well, guess what? They won't.
Yep, that's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the bird paradise instead to see all these beautiful birds, right, Cheryl?
Yes, you got that right.
Yep.
Okay, so Lynn, what's next?
Now, Cheryl, did you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
Really? I didn't know that. But you know what? I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Now, everyone, this right here is Elmo, our beautiful Togo toucan. And Elmo here is Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador, okay? So in a very short while, Elmo will be showing off his amazing flying abilities by flying through that giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Elmo? Okay. Oops, okay, let's try this again. Are you ready now? There you go!
Toucans are known for their speed and agility. Their body is so flexible that they can fly through the gaps of the forest like that gigantic Fruit Loop right over there. Ready?
Okay, Elmo, one more time. Right here. Yoo-hoo. Hey, what happened? You're supposed to fly inside, not under it. Let's try this one more time, okay? Okay, right here, come on. And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World.
Yes, that's right. And we are about to meet an iconic bird here in Singapore. Okay, one of the most iconic species, and that happens to be the Oriental Pine Hornbill.
Now everyone, we have Oris and Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now Oris here fell out of the nest as a chick, and in the wild he would have not survived, but here at Bird Paradise, okay, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Yes, you are right, Lynn. And plus, these hornbills and toucans have two major differences. Toucans can only be found in the continent of South and Central America, while hornbills can only be found in the continent of Africa and Asia. But hornbills have a distinctive feature over their bills, and it's known as a tusk. It can be a small ridge, or it can also be big and brightly colored. Right, Lynn?
Yep, so anything else you can spot, Cheryl?
Anything else? Well, we have their feet. Hornbills have 3 toes in front and broad soles. Toucans have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. But both birds are great hoppers. It gives them the strength and the stability to jump up and down perches. What else?
Tongues. I remember this. Now hornbills have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss fruit into their mouth. Okay, so everyone, let's check this out for Elmo first. Okay, Elmo, are you ready? Oops.
Ooh,
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay, and then check this out for Olivia as well. Alright! Okay, now toucans or the hornbills, they are agile flyers. Now they have the, just like the toucans, they can catch prey in mid-flight. We are going to get Elmo to demonstrate this first. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, Elmo? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was a very good catch. Good job.
And for those of you who missed that, we're going to get Olivia to show off her skills. Ready, Olivia?
That is Oris.
Oh, Oris!
So you know your birds.
There you go, good job there. Can we give Elmo and Oris a big hand, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. Wow. Wow, Alice and Olivia, and Elmo fans out here. Good job. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these hornbills have a peculiar or strange nesting behavior in the wild. If you take a look right over there, can you see that tree hole? That's a kind of nest hollows that these hornbills will nest inside. Oh, and by the way, here at Bird Paradise, we show you or we bring you these nesting behavior without you ever to leave your seats. From smaller species of hornbills, we're gonna meet a much bigger one. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Vicky, a great white hornbill! Alright, now great white hornbills happens to be one of the largest species of hornbills found in the Southeast Asian region. In one of the places they are from, in Borneo, some tribesmen believe that if a hornbill flies above your village or above a certain area, you will be blessed with good luck. Ooh, that's good, huh? Now, by the way, female hornbills are very fussy about her accommodation. It must be spacious and must have a chimney so that they can escape if they need to. Off she goes. And what happens next is that male hornbills will bring her mud, and she'll mix those mud with mashed fruits and droppings so that she can create a strong seal. Speaking about her mate, let's meet Sunny, another great white hornbill. Here he comes.
Now what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for Vicky, and for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks through this small gap in the nest hole. Right, Sunny, are you ready to feed Vicky? Now look at that. Now if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone, let's watch this. So this is Vicky inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Ah, look at it, here she goes. And this is Sunny feeding Vicky inside the nest box. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give Vicky and Sunny a round of applause, everyone? Our great white hornbills.
Well, you see, ladies and gentlemen, hornbills all over Southeast Asia and Africa are facing a major threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill are being hunted to extinction because of their solid casque, and that's known as the red ivory. Now what happened to the elephants are happening to these hornbills. Now that's the reason why as a birder, I love being here at Mandai, because Mandai supports major conservation efforts to protect animals. As a birder, let me tell you this, it's best to see these birds, so these animals in their wild habitats or in wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible.
Now, speaking about best care, hi! Hello everyone, I am Mitra from Bird Paradise. Now, my team and I work very hard to keep all our birds active, engaged, and enriched. I'm about to introduce all of you to some beautiful corneas. So, without further ado, everyone, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome them. Hi! Okay, so we have 5 of them right here with us. So the device they're holding on to, that is known as a monkey feet. It's a special set of knots made out of ropes, and we have hidden seeds and nuts for our birds to forage for. And these birds, they can be found in South America. Once widespread, now endangered. Okay, so over 800,000 of these birds are being sold into pet trades, okay, and there are more sun corneas in people's homes than in the wild. So please consider all these before you get yourself a pet cornea, okay? So it looks like all of them already made their way back home. Let's give our corneas
about enrichment for our resident corneas.
Yes, that's truly educational, right? You see, birds, they are everywhere. They can be social or they can be solitary. They can be loving yet fiercely protective of their young. They're smart. They're agile. They're one of the strongest creatures on planet Earth. And that's the reason why I love traveling from continent to continent just to discover these birds. But you know what would be amazing, Lynn?
Yes, what?
Is to see birds from all over the world right here, right now.
Well, Shahril,
Yeah.
I think your wish is about to come true. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.